Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Angga Fernanda and NPM 2341150, and I'm from class Management 23. Okay. And this one, I'm presentation about organizational change and development. Understanding transformation in modern organization. Organizational change and development represent fundamental process through which organization adapt, adapt to dynamic internal and external environment in an era characterized by rapid technological advancement, globalization, and competitive pressure. Organization must continuously evolve to sustain effectiveness and long-term performance. And definition of organizational change and development. Organizational change refers to the process of modifying organizational structure, strategies, operational method, technology, or culture to improve effectiveness and respond to environmental demand. Meanwhile, organizational development is a systematic and planned effort grounded in behavioral science aimed at improving organizational capacity and employee well-being through long-term intervention. Key difference between change and development. The distinction between organizational change and organizational development can be observed in terms of scope, approach, and objective. Organizational change often be focused on short-term adjustment in response to immediate challenge, whereas organizational development adopt a long-term perspective centered on sustainable growth. Furthermore, change may involve structural or technological shift, while development emphasizes human aspects such as leadership, organizational culture, and employee management. And drivers of organizational change. Organizational change is primarily driven by both internal and external factors. External driven include technology, innovation, market competitive, regulation change, and globalization. Internal driven um, and campus leadership, transition, organizational restructuring, performance gap, and evolving workforce expectation. And Levin change model. One of the most influential framework in change management is Kurt Lewin three-step model, which is consistent of unfreezing, changing, and rephrasing. The unfreezing stage involves prepare the organization by challenge existing belief and practice. The changing stage introduces new process, behavior, or structure. Finally, the rephrasing stage stabilizes stage change by embedding them into organizational culture. Resistance to change and management strategy. Resistance to change is a natural human response arising from uncertainty, fear of loss, lack of trust, or perceived threat to job security. If not properly managed, resistance can hinder organizational process and reduce the effectiveness of change initiatives. initiatives. To address resistance, organizations must implement strategies such as effective communication, employee involvement, par- parci- participative decision-making, and strong leadership support. Building trust and transparency is essential in minimizing opposition and fostering expectation. And thank you for my presentation. Um, Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.